Hey guys, so today I'm going to continue, hopefully finish breaking up the task of the redesign of the SDK into smaller tasks and then assign the tasks to the team. So let's hear what the team is doing today.
Hi! Today I'm doing research on how we can do the versioning of smart contracts and all the things related, and that's it.
Hey, today is pretty much like yesterday. I'm studying about Kafka, Cassandra, and more.
Today I'm continuing to study about Kafka. I did the Kafka tutorial and now I'm reading a bit about Ethereum. And hopefully we'll get some programming task from Shahar soon.
Hey, today I'm continuing to design an MVP for the centralized ride-hailing app. This is it.
Hey there, Davers. So I'm in Shahar, China for a big summit. I'll be here until tomorrow, where I'll be flying to Beijing to speak in a blockchain panel. I'll see you there.
Hey guys, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I went on and finished and released our new advisor video, Juri-leltsov, so you can check it out right over here. After that I edited the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the day I'm gonna work my magic on the new DailyDAV opener. That's it!
Hi everyone! I just got back from a meeting/event where we were talking about some regional opportunities for innovative transportation pilot programs. The rest of the day I'll be following up on what I learned and some of the contacts I made there. See you tomorrow.
Hey Davers, Alick here. Hey, meeting with our lawyers went interesting. We got some interesting leads to follow up on, both in the automotive, transportation, industry, to OEMs and different applications. Later today I'll be talking to an interesting startup in the autonomous drone industry. It's actually an airport all dedicated to autonomous vehicles. We'll see how that will unfold. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi guys. In this summer sunny beautiful day, I'll work on improving our website homepage. I'll make more nicely and stylish our icons in section what blockchain means to transport today. I'll add them more volume, shadow and reflection. Also I'll try add them more new theme in these icons. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. Yesterday I had a call with Noam and also with Wade from Slipstream Logistics. And today I'm doing some research and analysis on freight aggregators and how they operate in the market in Australia. Thank you.